Hey guys, it's TC Sport Cars here, and today I am at the Western Supermare Seafront for a classic car show. This is the 42nd time this show has been hosted here, and apparently like over 600 cars are coming, so I know we'll sort of see throughout the day how many do turn up. But now, as you may be able to tell behind me, we're down this side street because there's an AMG GTS here. I'll swing the camera around now so you can see it, and here it is, quite a nice spec. Black badges with a bit red and all that. Edition 1 wheels, I believe. It's rather nice. But yeah, we should probably go and head into the main show now. But yeah.
Too clever for its own good. It was really low. I can't remember what number it would have been on, but when it got to 9 or 10,
breakfast.
a little box.
I say we because I'm today here with Mr. Casey Cars.
Right.
I think there'll be a video on this channel, I don't know. I don't really know this channel anymore.
No, I'll probably film something and not upload it.
Yeah, that's how it always goes, to be honest.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's get into the actual show now. I'll probably put some music and some like cinematic angles or whatever, and show you guys the cars in that perspective. He is trying to get the shots of these cars, but he can't because there's some people in the way. Yeah.
Whatever.